Are you on an older version of Dynamics GP? Have you gotten hopelessly behind on your maintenance updates? Do you fear that you're vulnerable to ransomware? An older version of Dynamics GP leaves you in a predicament. You don't get the benefits of updates, tech support, plugins, plus you're exposed to security threats. These threats could potentially crash and shut your organization down for weeks. The good news, JourneyTEAM has a solution. We've developed a successful GP maintenance upgrade program with two paths. Number one, upgrading you to a newer version of GP. It's amazing. We have developed a secure and rapid repeatable process that gets you to the latest GP version quickly. I'm talking about what used to take weeks can now be done in a matter of hours. Option two, upgrading you to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. This is the core ERP system of Microsoft, and it's the future. It's where you'll get all of the benefits of a modern data center, protection from ransomware, strong authentication, and AppSource support. Business Central allows you to work from anywhere in the cloud. Yes, we know every organization and situation is unique. There are a lot of questions. Dynamics GP is a good product, and Dynamics 365 Business Central is the future. Many of your clients and competitors are already in the cloud. Should you move to the cloud? How do you get there? JourneyTEAM can help you with these type of questions. We've been down this path many times. We're a Microsoft Gold partner and the 2019 US Partner of the Year for Business Central. Don't wait any longer. We're happy to work with your current Microsoft partner or with you directly. Let's talk. Contact us today. Give us a call, 801-565-9199.